Welcome, in front of me I have iGPSport LW10 watch and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and how to turn off the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the circle with the line inside of it. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, or rather focus mode icon. And if you tap on this icon, you can select one of the focus modes. We have Do Not Disturb mode or sleep. We want to enable the Do Not Disturb mode, so tap on Do Not Disturb mode. You'll see the message Do Not Disturb mode on, the icon will get highlighted, and then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And on the watch face it's barely visible, but it is here, the Do Not Disturb mode icon as well, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, you simply open the quick panel again, tap on the icon again, you will see the message Do Not Disturb mode off, the icon will go back to gray color, and if you go back to watch face, the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And you can do this also for the settings. So if you press the crown button, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, when you tap on focus, it will open this menu, and here you can turn on the Do Not Disturb mode and turn it off by tapping on the switch. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.